Studying in the United States is a dream for many Indian students seeking quality education and diverse opportunities. However, before embarking on this journey, it is crucial to understand the intricacies of the USA study visa process. In this comprehensive guide, we will walk you through the essential information you need to know as an Indian student applying for a USA study visa. 1. Types of USA study visas. There are different types of study visas available for Indian students depending on the nature of their academic pursuits. The most common visa category is the F1 student visa, which is for full-time academic studies at accredited U.S. institutions. Other options include the J1 exchange visitor visa, which facilitates cultural exchange programs, and the M1 visa for vocational or non-academic programs. 2. Choosing the right visa. Selecting the appropriate visa category is crucial. Consider factors such as the duration of your program, your academic goals, and whether you qualify for specific visa categories based on your field of study. 3. Applying to U.S. universities. Before applying for a study visa, you must secure admission to a recognized U.S. educational institution. 4. SEVIS fee and I-20 form. Once accepted by a U.S. institution, you will receive a Form I-20, which is required for the study visa application. Pay the SEVIS, Student and Exchange Visitor Information System fee, as it is a mandatory step in the process. The SEVIS fee is paid online, and the receipt is necessary for the visa interview. 5. Completing the DS-160 form. The DS-160 is an online non-immigrant visa application form. Complete this form accurately and truthfully, providing all the required information. 6. Paying the visa application fee. Pay the visa application fee before scheduling an interview at the U.S. Embassy or Consulate. 7. Scheduling the visa interview. Once you have paid the visa application fee, schedule an interview appointment at the U.S. Embassy or Consulate in India. 8. Preparing for the visa interview. Thoroughly prepare for the visa interview to increase your chances of success. Familiarize yourself with the commonly asked questions, gather the required documentation, including your I-20 form, financial documents, and proof of ties to India, and practice articulating your study and career plans. 9. Visa interview do's and don'ts. During the interview, present yourself professionally, demonstrate confidence, and answer questions honestly and concisely. Provide relevant documents when requested. 10. Financial documentation. As part of the visa application process, you must demonstrate sufficient funds to cover your tuition fees, living expenses, and other related costs. 11. Visa approval and travel. If your visa is approved, you'll receive your passport with the visa stamped inside. Take note of the visa validity period and plan your travel accordingly. By understanding the different study visa options, meeting the eligibility criteria, completing the application process diligently, and maintaining visa status once in the United States, you can embark on a successful journey of studying in the USA. Good luck on your path to achieving your academic goals in the United States.